Welcome back, guys. Before this video starts, we just wanted to say that we're sorry we haven't posted in a while. We got busy with school, Daniel heading out, still getting moved into the garage here, so we definitely had to take some time off to do some other things. But now we're kind of back on the grind. We got some really cool projects for you, like this rare rotary engine we put on an ATV. So make sure you stay subscribed, stay tuned. We've got a lot of great content coming. We're gonna keep up with it a lot more now, with things more relaxed. So thank you guys for sticking around, and check out the video. In last episode, y'all saw us revive this 1986 Honda Fourtrax. It was great. We got to drive around the shop a little bit, but now we kind of want to open it up and see what it can do. This thing has been sitting since 1995. We just got it running yesterday. So, you know, it does smoke a little bit. The shifts aren't super smooth, but I'm sure it'll be a blast before we start kind of tearing into it and doing a more restoration project. But yeah, let's get going. Cool. Yeah, guys, it's pretty great. I mean, it's a 4-speed and then has a super low. So if we're ever gonna crawl this thing, hopefully we'll be able to take it to off-road park. It's gonna be insane. It basically just walks up anything. And then the 4-speed's great. It gets going pretty fast. The steering's good and it doesn't feel tippy, which I'm very surprised with because this seems kind of top heavy. So yeah, I'm very impressed with this thing. So a funny story about this thing. The family that was the original owner of this Fourtrax, they used to live in Colorado and they brought it down to Texas. So obviously the elevation is a lot different, so you need the carb to have a different jet. So they brought this thing to a Honda dealer in '95, and the Honda dealer tried everything and they said they couldn't fix it. So this thing sat in a garage from '95 to 2021. And you know, we actually just got it running in a day. I mean, obviously it has a little bit of black smoke, and you know, it's not perfect, but it does run and is usable and it's a blast. So
we kind of just dunked on a Honda dealership.
Yeah, Honda dealer.
Don't trust your local Honda dealer.
No, don't say that.
Just say no.
That's probably good.
Threaten your local Honda dealer.
Yeah, guys, good thing this thing has good suspension, because probably would have been a goner on that one. It shot me off to the side and I broke the gas tank zip ties. But yeah, this thing can take a jump. So the great thing about this is the super low gear, so we'll just kind of show you some bumps and then maybe we'll take up some bigger stuff. yeah, it handled that super easily. So we do have one bigger hill, and we'll see how it does on that. Hey guys, watch this.
Too easy.
Yeah, reverse felt a little sketchier than I was expecting, but yeah, this thing can go over anything. It's pretty great. If you want to, you know, if we're going to be taking this thing off road, it's exactly what we need.
Time for a race.
Yeah.
Ranger versus Fourtrax.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he's gonna beat me. Oh, pulling on us. Got me.
Yeah guys, so that about does it with the Fourtrax. You know, it's a really great ATV. You know, all we've had before is the mini quad, so this is kind of new for us. And you know, I can see why these are expensive and people love them, and you drive them for years. It's pretty great. I mean, this thing's awesome. It's got, you know, roof rack or rear rack, front rack, 4-speed. I mean, sunflower. It's got everything. So you know, it's a blast to drive. Thank you, Daniel, for letting us use your land. And thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for more videos of this thing going more off-road.